Everybody's got their phones out, their cameras turned on, because this is going to be a fun experience to take in. The flag is up. We are communicating with the driver. He can see the flag. When that green flag, that back matter on his holding starts waving, he is going to take off. If you can see that far. There we go. The green car is on his way here, folks. Getting some good speed. He's lined up with the ramp, and here we go. Look at him coming through there, folks. That is quite the exit.
Do it again!
Let's hear it for DJ here, guys. Looks like they're rolling around. They're going to try to do this again. We're going to demolish this camper as much as we can because, well, it's not good for anything anymore except for maybe creative. Might be better than some of the campers that are out there, so. And here he's coming again. May as well keep it going. They spent the time fixing that axle, so let's keep her rolling. Looks like he is circling around for one more go at the can here. He's got a good line. There's nine. And there's no longer a lid on that camper. Someone's going to have a sore neck tomorrow too, I think. Oh. And there goes the drive shaft off the bottom of the car. So that is the end of the show, folks. I don't think we have enough fun. Fix the drive shaft, but give those guys a big round of applause. All the lawnmower races, the quad pulls, the minivan drivers, all the pit crew, everybody who's done anything. The firefighters over there, I'm glad we didn't need you, but thank you very much for coming. So, the only thing we have left to do is make a 50-50 draw. We're just circling and we're mixing up the 50-50s here. So, 30 more seconds, we're going to make that draw. And we will announce the number, and you can just go to the ag office to claim your winnings there. Jamie is digging deep in the green bucket. Carla is on her way with the winning pink ticket, which I think they're all pink. So we have a pink ticket, number 361597. 361597. We will post this on the Facebook page. We will hang the ticket at the office if that's your winning ticket.